Pharmagraph has launched its latest FMS software, enVigil V. enVigil V systems are deployed specifically for facility and environmental monitoring applications. Evolved from a need to address the requirements of EU GMP, CGMP, GAMP and associated regulatory standards, enVigil V offers a configurable facility monitoring software system aimed at pharmaceutical, healthcare and satellite production facilities. Applications include cleanroom production facilities to monitor non-viable and viable particles, room differential pressures, temperature and relative humidity sensors to provide environmental monitoring of an entire facility. Continuous non-viable and viable particle counting is required for pharmaceutical grade A and B zones. The system also incorporates regular monitoring of grade C and D zones using portable particle counters. enVigil V also offers the ability to monitor cold chain storage for fridges, freezers and cryogenic storage tanks, with additional monitoring of CO2 incubators and other environmental parameters. Enhancements to the previous enVigil FMS software version focus on providing additional features to address virtual machine deployment, hot standby functionality and isolator or RABS filling line applications. enVigil V offers capability for multiple servers to connect to distributed network view nodes in a network cluster. Aimed at the increased deployment of enVigil systems running on a server and virtual machine platforms, the network cluster offers unrivaled oversight of the monitoring system installations. Multiple filling suites can be managed through individual enVigil V server applications running a self-contained monitoring system for each line. This enables system deployment to be easily achieved for commissioning, verification and validation purposes, without interruption to existing filling suites. The network cluster topology enables personnel from production, engineering and quality control to have easy oversight of each filling suite. Coupled with the enVigil V dashboard mimic, it provides meaningful information about production performance, alarm management, batch reporting or sign-off and any failure investigations that may be required. enVigil V offers advanced cubic meter particle monitoring to reduce system downtime. This is achieved by offering an out-of-compliance predictor and cubic meter event monitoring for the non-viable particle counting element of the filling line application. The out-of-compliance predictor enables filling line systems to predict out-of-compliance operation and offers corrective action to be taken before alarm conditions occur, thereby avoiding investigations, write-ups and prolonged system downtime. The cubic meter event monitoring application allows out-of-compliance events to be corrected, acknowledged and cleared as soon as the system is back in a compliant state. Clearance of the alarm status is enabled and executed by a designated user and their activity is tracked by the audit logger. enVigil V provides a trend metrics module that reinforces the regulatory requirements of quality risk management. The trend metrics module allows analysis of alert and action alarm transitions, providing reports on the number of transitions for varying time periods. The functionality supports CAPA investigations, enabling production issues to be identified and corrected, including failing plant and personnel training requirements. enVigil V offers an optional batch reporting module that supports electronic signatures with an SQL database format, which is compliant with most third-party ODBC database applications. This provides batch-related product reports to be created with multiple levels of electronic sign-off. The batch reports encompass periodic data trends, alert and action alarm transitions, audit log information and viable sampling data. The SQL format output allows batch-related data to be available for customized reporting purposes and integration into site-wide management information systems. enVigil V Facility Monitoring System. Compliance delivered, production maintained. Contact our sales team today to find out more about enVigil V.